Changing your primary email on your Afterpay card is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your Afterpay account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the app and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes and verify it. After updating your email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. Now you have successfully updated your primary email on your Afterpay card. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for assistance.